Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Dale. I don't know what to say. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Dale. I'm here with a unboxing. Well, I already opened the box, but yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. First off, we got this Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. It hydrates up to 5 days, and it'll give you skin. This product will make your skin as soft as a baby's butt. Doesn't contain any oil. It's 50 milliliters, and this is step 3 of something. Yeah. There's a doctor's tip on here. Doctor's tip.
Ooh, the tip of the doctor. Ooh.
This moisturizer doubles as a mask. Smooth a thick layer over thick. I can't read. Let me start that over. This moisturizer doubles as a mask! Exclamation point. Smooth a thick layer over skin, then tissue off excess after 10 minutes. Interesting. And by the way, that was developed by Dr. Murad himself. Our next product is NARS Soft Matte. It is a complete concealer, and it's 0.21 ounces or 6.2 Gs. I have no idea what this is. I assume this will conceal my acne completely. And yeah, the little black box. Our next product is the Inky List. This is a 2-pack wake up duo. This will wake you up in the morning. One has caffeine. I don't know if you can see that. And the other one is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. That works beneath the skin's surface that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So I'm guessing that if you put this on your skin, you'll be able to carry things over 1,000 times your weight in water. I have no idea what this is for. Why do you want caffeine? Do you drink it? Do you put it on your skin? Oh, it's actually an antioxidant derived from coffee. So you put this coffee on your skin and it'll reduce puffiness, dark circles, and prevent skin damage from free radicals. Our next product is Bare Minerals. Just minerals, nothing else. This is the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. So what you do is you put this on your skin before you put on your foundation, and then it will stick onto your face. On the back it says, create the perfect canvas. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that does. Ooh, it's a heart, but now it's broken. Damn, girl, you put this on your eyes. Oh, maybe you need to put this on your eyes first. This is actually better than sex. Literally, this is
better than sex.
This Better Than Sex mascara and this Damn Girl, I don't know if you put them on at the same time or if you put one on each eye or what. But apparently this is a perfect lash match. Ooh. Whoa. Next thing we got here is I have no idea what that says. Is that even English? Tatcha. It is the liquid silk canvas. So it's another canvas. Apparently all of these are canvas products. So you put this on your face, I'm assuming, before you put on some other stuff. Oh, it says it's for the face and for the eyes. So, yeah, you can put this in your eyes before you put on your makeup, I guess. And our last two products are the same. I don't know exactly what they are. Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. They're both the same, I guess. Matte and metal melted shadows. So, these used to be shadows, and we melted them because they got really hot. And it's metal and matte. It looks like it's shiny here on this side. I don't know if you can see that. But then on this side, it's not shiny. Are these the same? Oh, they are the same. Yeah, maybe they're different color. Doesn't really say, guys. But this is a 2 milliliter liquid shadows, whatever that means. And yeah, that concludes my makeup unboxing. Whatever. Thank you guys for. Whoa. Got so much makeup, guys. Can barely see me. But yeah, thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. I'm your host, Dale. I don't know what I am talking about, but I got all of this from Sephora for $100-some. It's a great deal, and I'm sure I'll be really excited after putting all of this on my face at the same time. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Dale. I'm here with a unboxing. Well, I already opened the box, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get to it.
You're so jealous.